Hi guys, welcome to Early Years Matters TV. On this channel we focus on everything early childhood related. If these are the kind of videos you're looking forward, you have to just subscribe. And not just subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever a new video is being dropped on this channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to show to the interviewer that you are the best candidate for the job. Yes, today's discussion is going to be all about how to show to the interviewer that you are the best candidate for the job. An emergent early childhood educator, an early childhood educator, a preschool teacher, you've applied for a job positioning and you're preparing for a job interview. It's really important that you sell yourself. Show to your future employer that you're the best candidate for the job. So I'm going to talk about some of the ways that you can show that you are the best candidate. You show yourself by talking about your qualification, the qualification that you have that is related to working with young children. This is one way that you show to your future employer that you're the best candidate for the job. So sell yourself, talk about all the qualifications that you have, all the courses that you've done that relates to working with young children. Next, talk about your experience. This is key to getting a job in the area of early childhood. You need to show your future employer the experience that you have that relates to working with young children. So talk about your experience that relates to child minding, babysitting, nannying, and the experience that you have in a preschool setting. This is really important. When you show her the experience that you have, then you're the best candidate. So also show how you've worked together as a member of a team in your recent job, in all the jobs that you've done. It's important that you show that you're that person that worked as a member of a team. And also show in relation to planning for children's play. Show yourself, sell yourself how you've planned for children's play, taking into consideration children's observation, their needs, their interests, their likes, their dislikes. So all of this is important. You show yourself to your future employer how you've planned for children's play, how you've taken all of this into consideration. Talk about in relation to planning as well. What are the things that you took into consideration when planning for children's play, layout, accessibility, the materials, the resources. All of these are important. Remember, when you're being called for a job interview, you're not the only person that is going for this job. You're competing against others. You might have 10 people that applied for the job, you might have 20 people that applied for the job, and 5 of you you're being called, and it's only one job that is going. So you need to show. It's called survivor of the fittest. You have to show to your future employer that yes, you're the best candidate, you have the qualification that is required, you have the experience, you've planned for children's play, you've worked together as a member of a team, and lastly, it's important you show your knowledge in relation to policy. You need to understand that in early childhood, we're being driven by policy, and your future employer wants to know the knowledge that you have in relation to policies and legislation. So you need to familiarize yourselves with the policies and legislations in the country that you're based, because this is going to be one of the questions you're going to be had. So show forth the policies, the legislation that you know in relation to health and safety, planning for children's play, room layout, the staff ratio. All of this is important. When you do all of this, you're telling your future employer that you're the best candidate for this job. On a series of videos in my channel in relation to job interviews as an early childhood educator. I'm going to leave this link in the comment below, so please familiarize yourselves with this video in case you're being called for a job interview. Until I come your way next time, stay safe and mind yourselves for now. Bye.